Ever wondered what would happen if our moon exploded? Well, brace yourself for a cosmic roller coaster. First off, the sight from Earth would be nothing short of spectacular, a bright star-like explosion lighting up the night sky. But the aftermath? Not so pretty. Without the moon's gravitational pull, Earth's axis would wobble uncontrollably. Seasons? Forget about them. They'd be as unpredictable as a coin toss. And the tides? They'd be drastically reduced, affecting marine life and global weather patterns. Oh, and those moonbits? They'd rain down on Earth, causing a meteor shower like no other. But don't worry too much. The chances of our moon exploding are about as likely as a snowstorm in the Sahara. For now, we're safe. But isn't it fascinating to imagine? For more such content, please subscribe.